In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money to Kenya with Remitly. We'll go through the process in a simple, clear way so you can follow along easily. If you're using Remitly for the first time, just take your time with each screen and make sure all the details you enter are correct before moving forward. To begin, open your Remitly account. Once you're signed in, look at the country option at the top of the screen. Tap or click on it, and then select Kenya as the destination country. This is important because it tells Remitly where you want to send the money and shows you the available transfer options for that location. After choosing Kenya, click Send Money. This will take you to the transfer setup page where you can start entering the details for your transaction. At this point, if the recipient's contact information has already been saved in your account, you can simply select their contact from the list. This can save time and make the process quicker. If the person is not already saved, click New Contact to add them. Then select their country, making sure it matches the destination you're sending to. Be careful here, because accurate recipient information helps prevent delays. Next, enter the amount you want to send. As you do this, Remitly will usually show you the amount the recipient is expected to receive, along with the exchange rate and any applicable fees. It's a good idea to review this carefully so you understand the total cost of the transfer before continuing. After that, select the delivery method. The delivery method determines how the money will reach the recipient, so choose the option that works best for them. Then, select your payment method. This is how you'll pay for the transfer, and the available options may vary depending on your account and region. Once everything looks correct, click Continue. You'll then be asked to enter the recipient's account details. Make sure these details are entered exactly as required on the screen. Even a small mistake in account information can cause problems, so it's worth double-checking everything before submitting. Finally, follow the prompts on your screen to complete the transfer. Remitly will guide you through the final confirmation steps, and once you approve the transaction, your money will be on its way to Kenya. That's it. As a final tip, always review the transfer summary before confirming, just to make sure the recipient, amount, delivery method, and payment method are all correct. This helps make the process smooth and reduces the chance of delays.